Hello everyone, welcome back to English Advanced Tutorial. Today's video is on notice writing. Notice writing is important and especially for this Madhyamik examination in this year, notice writing is important for the students. So today we are giving a notice writing. The subject is this: you are the secretary of a club which has decided to open a library. Write a notice to the members of your club inviting them to actively join this program by donating books for the library. The notice writing is on the request, on the intimation to the members to attend the program in the opening ceremony of the library and also to donate some books for the new library. Those who are new in this channel, we are requesting them to subscribe this channel to get this type of materials for their study. Now we are starting the notice writing. See, this is the starting of the notice writing. In this way, we will write Star Club. This is the name of the club. We have assumed here only a name. You can give any name according to your choice. So this is the name of a club, Star Club. If in question any name is given, then you have to write that particular name. Star Club, then notice, then date at the right side, and then the subject of the notice writing. Donation of books for a new library. Now, this is the main body of the notice. We shall write the notice in this way. All the members of Star Club are hereby notified that our club is going to open a library at the club premises on 5th December 2025 at 10 a.m. This is the starting of the notice writing, and we are just intimating to the members that a new library is going to be opened by the club, and the date is 5th December and the time is 10 a.m. The club premises, the library will be opened at the club premises, means the premises, the place near the club. This is the club premises area. The library will cater to the needs of the students and common people of our local area. Here, cater to means will meet the needs. Okay. So, the library will meet the needs of the local people and the students. And the library is for the benefit of the students. This is the purpose of opening that library. Members are requested to attend the program on the day on time. Members are further requested to donate their old books to our library if they have books. This is the request, that if the members have their old books, they are requested to donate those books to the library. Books on any subject can be donated to our library. Members can also donate new books to our library if they wish. So it is further also requested that if the club members want, they can also donate the new books to the library. The main body is being continued. Okay, so this part is the part of the main body. Cooperation from all the members is expected so that the library can be opened successfully for the benefits of the students and common people. This has been written formally that cooperation is expected from all the members so that they can attend the program and they can donate the books to the library. This is the formal writing. Also, you know that we also write this type of writing in the notice writing. For any further query, the underlined may be contacted. And below that, this is the next part. This is also the part of the main body. This is also the part of the notice. Countersigned, then president. President means president of the club. At the left side, we have to write this type of writing. Countersigned, president, president of the club. Then at the right side, SD Prabir Chatterjee. This name has been assumed. You can give another name here, and after that, this is the post of this person, Probit Chatterjee, club secretary. We have to write in capital letter club, C capital and S capital, because this is the name of a designation, club secretary, and then Star Club. This is the name of the particular club which is giving this notice, Star Club. So this was the notice writing. We're just reviewing once again the format of the notice writing. In the beginning, we shall write this name of the club, then notice, then subject, and here the date, and then the main body, and lastly, we have to write this. So this was today's notice writing. I think this notice will be beneficial to you in your examination, because this is one of the important topics of notice writing. And you can also write us in comment box for more notice writing or any other writing. So if this video is beneficial to you, then please give a like and share this to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching this video, and we are meeting in the next video.